Wow, it feels like it was just yesterday we were all in this dude. We're going to be choreographing He Screws Whoever. Alright, so how it begins is, oh those, yeah, actually I banged 3 chicks during the last chorus. You prevert. Bell sound cute. I won't wanna bang her, cause that's our Zeus. So on, cause that's our Zeus. Look at audience in cheering physicality. Cause that's our Zeus. So you're like looking at each other and at the audience. Cause that's our Zeus. Very over the top. And at that beginning music until the song plays, everyone runs all over the stage. Wild arms, turns, movements to formation. So this is like wild card. Do whatever you feel in this music. So it's gonna be like you're running down a hill, like wow. Yeah. Wow. So any move you've ever wanted to do, just like go spastic at this beginning part. So it's like, cause that's our Zeus. Wow. You feel me? Like, if you watch the actual video from Greece, it, like, cracks me up. Like, people are like, you know, it's just, like, so funny. Go over the top. Always go bigger than you think you should go. Okay. This is why I get so tired right away. Okay, so first line, He Screws Whoever. Go to the right, move, toe, heel, toe, heel. So, right first. Toe. He screws whoever, like whatever, llama, llama, ka-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-dong. Remember forever, like shoo-bop, shoo-wada, wada, ya bitty boom-da-boom. So, you go to the right first, toe, heel, and then point on the, like Jana, Hannah, Anna, even Grandma, he likes to bone. And then move to the left. Toe, heel, on He Rules Forever. As top dot, the bada hippity hoppagod. You point to the left. And then for bang bangs, right fist over left fist, hump twice forward. Bang, bang! So we're doing He screws whoever, like Rama, Lama, Lama, even Grandma's he likes to bone. Remember forever, like shoo-bop, shoo-wada, wada, lippity-loop-a-god. Bang, bang! And then bangity bang he do. Hands on head, hip circle, hump twist. So, bang, bang, bangity bang he do. Bang, bang, bangity bang he do. So you do a full circle, hip, hip. Bang, bang, bangity bang he do. Let me look at the next part. Then, so we just did bang, bang, bangity bang he do. That's how Zeus will always be. So on how Zeus will always be, you're looking at each other and like really big movements, just looking at each other like, yup. That's how Zeus will always be. Always be really big movements, over dramatic, heightened, big, bigger than you think. That's how Zeus will always be. So true, yeah. Each facing each other, bending down, jump in the air, big arms and legs on yeah. So you're gonna be like, you'll each find someone to lock eyes with. You'll be like, so true, yeah. So you just look at each other, bend down, and jump in the air. Big arms and legs. So true, yeah. So true, yeah. Whatever that means to you. And then, she's now one of our kind. Jazz hands, kick right leg out, then left leg out. So, she's one of our kind. So, jazz hands at the hips. She's now one of our kind. Right leg. She's now one of our kind. She's now one of, 2. She's now one of our kind. I just want to specify this part because I did it wrong originally. So jazz hands. She's now one of our kind. So right, left, right, right. Jazz hands at hips. She's now one of our kind. She's now one of our kind. So she's now one of our kind. Right, left, right, twice. Hope that helps. Like flip-a flipped and now she does whatever she wants to do. So for the first flip-to-flip-da, right hand does a wave to the right, or to the left. Like flip-to-flip-to-flip, always you can move your body to the beat. Like flip-to-flip-to-flip, now she does whatever too. So you just did. She's one of our kind, like flip-to-flip-to-flip, now she does whatever too. And then she's redefined, everybody feel themselves. She's redefined. Boogity, 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 like. Oh, another jazz hand. Quick feet, pulling back, jazz hands. Boogity, 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 boogity. So you're doing the quick feet like in football. Boogity, 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 like. Boogity, 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 like. Bippity, bop, da boo. So for bippity, bop, da boo, you're going to be like, bippity, bop. So you're going to have feet together, arms out straight. Bippity, bop, da boo. Bippity, bop. So it's almost like you're driving a car with flat hands and you're turning it right, left, and pushing your horn. Bippity, bop, da boo. So right before that, she's redefined. Boogity, 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 boogity. Bippity, bop, da boo. Bippity, bop, da boo. So we just did boogity, 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 boogity. Bippity, bop, da bop. Ching, ching. Chingity, ching, shadoo. So for the chain, it's like you're grabbing a chain, you have a fist, like you're pumping it, and you're humping the air. Ching, ching. Chingity, ching, shadoo. Ching, ching, chingity, ching, shadoo. Ching, ching, chingity. Ching, ching, chingity, ching, shadoo. So pull it twice, ching, ching, roll it twice, always humping while you do it. Ching, ching, chingity, ching, shadoo. And now our story is done. Look to audience with big arms. And now our story is done. And now our story is done. So just look at the audience with big arms. Da, 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 done. So you're going to run in place, face left, arms jut out diagonally, exploding hands. Da, 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 done. Da, 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 done. So you're going to run in place. So you just did. Ching, ching, chingity, ching, shadoo. And now our story is done. Da, da, done. Let's finish this bitch. Okay. This was the myth of when. Everyone stand close together, side by side in a line. Walk right over left, twice, moving head in and out. So, this was the myth of when. This was the myth of when. This was the myth of when. So, you're walking right over left. I guess it's left over right. Oh yeah, it's left over right. Well, yeah, I like left over right. This was the myth of when. Head. This was the myth of when. This was the myth of when. And then, Zeus had a special friend. So, you're all standing in a line. Everyone turn to a partner and have one of the partners Object work giving the other a flower. This was a myth of when, kind of referring to the flower cup. This was a myth of when. I'm sorry, that's not the line here. So it's, this was a myth of when Zeus had a special friend give flower. Object work flower. Up at Mount Olympus High School. So what I wrote was, whole body lead with hips to beat like a fish. Sometimes the choreographer doesn't even know what the choreographer means. So what I think I meant there, up at Mount Olympus High School, lead with hips. Yeah, this is gotta be it. This is like a fish. Up at Mount Olympus High School. So far we had, this was the myth of when Zeus had a special friend. Up at Mount Olympus High School. Up at Mount Olympus High School. We hope this wasn't lame. Look at audience concerned and dab on lame. We hope this wasn't lame. Gotta love a dab. We hope this wasn't lame. Either way, we're glad you came. Step right, right arm out. Step left, left arm out to the audience. Either way, we're glad you came. So, we hope this wasn't lame. Either way, we're glad you came. Maybe you can tell a friend or two. Look into the audience, soul. Look into the audience's soul. Speak with your eyes, working your shoulders. Maybe you can tell a friend or two. So, maybe you can tell a friend or two. Look into their soul and move your shoulders to the beat. And say, maybe you can tell a friend or two. So that end is, this was a myth of when. This was a myth of when Zeus met his special friend. Up at Mount Olympus High School. We hope this wasn't lame. Either way, right foot, right hand. Either way, we're glad you came. Maybe you can tell a friend or two. Look at audience, soul, speak with your eyes, working your shoulders. Maybe you can tell a friend or two. And then, freestyle outro. Pandora's box is always an option. You can always, when in doubt, use Pandora's box.